Kareena Kapoor Khan, daughter of Randhir Kapoor and Babita, and Karisma Kapoor's younger sister, started acting in Bollywood movies 20 years ago. She made her debut opposite Abhishek Bachchan in Refugee in the year 2000. In her 20-year-long career, Kareena has worked with A-listers from Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amir Khan and Hrithik Roshan. Over the years, she's received many awards, been a part of huge blockbusters like Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Three Idiots. Apart from many other roles, her characters like Pooh from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum and Geet from Jab We Met are still the most talked about roles, which turned out the way they did because of her sincere performance. In 2012, she married Saif Ali Khan. They continue to be Bollywood's most talked about couple, and their son Taimur is an internet sensation and a favorite of the Paps. In my interview, Kareena did speak about her reservations of media's interest in her young son. Be it her workout videos or her airport looks, even after 20 years, Kareena can make headlines with just her looks. And the Paps can't get enough of her. Her latest film Angrezi Medium, directed by Homi Arjania, stars Irfan Khan in the lead role. Kareena says this is not the central role, but she's at a phase where she's not looking at doing central roles, but important characters that matter to the film. Kareena is my guest on this week's Spotlight. Joining me is Kareena Kapoor Khan after a long time.
Yes.
We really missed you.
But now I met you during Good News.
yeah, with everyone, which is not the same thing like this. So I'm glad we're doing this.
Yes, of course.
It's now 20 years of Kareena Kapoor, the actor. When you look back, how has this journey been?
I think it's been quite an exhilarating journey, if I may say. There's been success and failure and everything. Of course, it's been 20 years, so it has to be. But yeah, 20 years and still counting.
Of course. When you, I remember coming on your sets back in the days.
Of course.
So that was a very different world. How do you think have you seen yourself personally change as a person who goes on a set now?
I mean, yeah, I think earlier I was like this excited child, just
Very
kind
young
of,
also, right?
wanting to, come on screen. Karishma's younger sister. I think, just, in fact, like I just made a statement that day that I'm romancing all my sister's co-stars.
Right.
I used to, be right behind the camera when, she would be working with like Akshay and Amir and Salman and Shah Rukh and Saif and all of them, So it just goes to show that, how much work everyone has done in that case, It's just so amazing, yeah.
And how much work you have done,
Yes.
when you because you've done so many films, the few iconic ones that just stand out when you just think of your career, what would those be?
I think it's just, I don't know, I mean, I can't even think of, there's so many, they're like, some underrated performances, some overrated performances. I think there's, yeah.
For your fans, it will be Pooh, which is your iconic character. It will be your character from Jab We Met.
Yeah.
Do you also believe that? Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the usual ones definitely, but I love the ones like whether it was Yuva or there was Dev, there was Chameli, there was Omkara, there was a lot of those kind of films that, I had done earlier on in my career, which I think was amazing.
Right. The younger generation is discovering, kids who are growing now are watching your films now, and obviously they are huge fans.
Yeah.
And when they see Pooh, they cannot believe that someone pulled off that role.
Yeah.
Was it it looks like a smooth ride, you pulled off like nobody else. What was that like?
I think it's a difficult character to play,
to
to be that, over the top kind of character and be so convincing in it is something. And mouth lines, there are just throwaway lines.
Right, yeah.
I think the easiest thing is to cry and be emotional. But to make people laugh and to kind of, play, being a mainstream actor, play that character that, is has to be so over the top but yet so lovable.
Yeah, of course.
You know, is I think very difficult to do.
Right. You know, actors like you all learned on the job. You know, every film was different,
Yeah.
every character was different. Now, do you see this generation coming completely ready with, you know, with everything?
I think this generation is fully like, you know, they're like all prepared, and
right.
but they're all such amazing actors.
Huh.
And yeah, but like I always say, that my fear is that they're so used to the instant success,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
instant validation,
Yeah.
you know, because of this digital era. So that is the only fear that's there. you
Right.
know. But I think that they're all very sensible and, you know,
They're all very
alert.
sensible and they're all very correct. That's why we like to interview you a lot, because
No.
you're also very correct. But it's always fun to have someone who was, you know, you. Everybody says, and
Yeah.
we have seen enough of Coffee with Karan to understand
Oh,
that
God.
you are a gossip monger.
Oh God, my reputation, I don't know why it's become like because of Karan.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I think we're being Karan.
You both have earned this.
Yeah, I don't know why, but from where this has come from Coffee with Karan when I've done nothing.
Right now, also you see another thing that there's an explosion of is Instagram and
Yeah.
do you check yourself how much in a day do you log on and see who's wearing what are your pictures like?
No, I think that, you know, one has to try to stop themselves, you know,
Right.
from being addicted to it.
Right.
You know, I think it's like a toxic drug, you know, it's like you just constantly, you know, need to just be on it, you know, like where people are not talking anymore, people are not having conversations anymore, people are just hooked on to, you know, what's going on. Every party, every dinner, every move that is made is just about
Right.
the Instagram picture now.
Right. Were you at some point addicted? Did you?
No, I luckily, because I try to stay away
Right.
from social media as much
You
as
have
possible.
a great distraction, which is this adorable son of yours, who the whole, not just you, but everybody loves.
Oh, God.
But so he has his own fan pages. He has his own. you know,
Yeah,
people-
I have no idea why. Yeah, I don't know. I think that, you know, what is the reason that has? Because
It's
he's
the
in-
it's the stardom that you and Saif get to the table. I've come to this very house, when you all were not married,
Yeah.
and because every 2 weeks there would be a rumor that you all are married,
Huh.
and so you can you
Yeah.
can understand the excitement that people out there have.
Of course.
But do you not want these fan pages for him at this early age?
I think so. I think he's young. He's so small. He's not really done anything to garner fans. I'm like, you know, why? Let him be.
Let him be.
You know,
Right.
why make him and put him in this position,
Right.
you know, and bring him up to this.
Right.
And that, you know, he could be somebody's son, of course, but that's okay.
Right.
We have to try to keep him as grounded and normal
Right.
as possible.
From what I see as an outsider, is that, you know, now y'all and the Paps have an understanding. You'll have
Yeah.
reached a point where they are at a distance. He'll come wave and he'll go away, and they'll not come ahead.
Of
you
course, I think so.
that's-
They've also understood that now, you know, they don't want to impose themselves as much,
Right.
which I think is great.
Right now, you just had a great successful film, Good News, and everybody loved you in it. It's fun to taste the success again and again.
No, I think that it's great because Good News also was a very different kind of a subject. It
Right.
was quite out there, you know, with the whole egg thing that happens, and you know, the whole swapping and everything that goes on. I think that subject was tackled very well by
well,
Raj.
right.
So I think that is what people have appreciated a lot, and I'm happy that everyone loved it. And yeah, it's an exciting time.
Right. It's an exciting time because, you know, it was a subject. Do you think you could have done this 20 years ago, 15 years ago, 10 years ago?
No, I think this is the perfect time because
for
now
it.
I think audience is also ready
Mature.
to, they want to watch different kind of films.
Right,
You know, I
right.
think they're kind of ready for that.
Right. What was Homie's idea when he came to you? What did he tell you?
I think he just, you know, he was like, this is a really cool part and I think that you would be apt for it and, you know, just hear it. So I was like, yeah, okay, fine. I don't mind hearing it, you know, because I was like, I don't know, let's see or whatever. And then when I heard it, I was like, yeah, it's actually quite cool, but it's, you know, it's not really the central character, and you know,
Right.
like she comes in the second half of the film. So he was like, yeah, you know, that's it, but don't look at it as that,
Right.
and you know, look at it as a part. So yeah, when I thought about it, I was like, I think it's quite cool to, you know, do a really good part in a film,
Right.
and which is relevant, but it's not necessarily, you know, the central character.
Right.
And yeah, it just happened, and I never played a cop before, so I had a lot of fun doing that. And yeah, I think the entire emotional arc of Naina's character as a cop, and then the relationship with her mother, I think that journey is what people will really like.
Right. So right now you are totally okay. You have played great characters, but you are really, Kareena, at a position where you can say, I want just the central role.
Yeah.
Does this come from security that I've done enough work, I've proved myself, and because also the larger than life image that is yours, one would think that you would do just dharma movies and just
of course, but I think I've never really done that. I think I've
you
always
haven't.
tried to balance it out
Right.
between like a big Bollywood kind of a commercial setup and then do something that's slightly off.
True.
And do it. So I think that is something that they are my choices. But that's why I would. Nobody would pick up a part like this in this kind of a film, you know,
Right.
like you said. Everyone will be like, no, it has to be about me. But I've never really
You've
been
never,
like that.
right.
I think I always go by the content on like what is my part, what am I doing in the film, is it exciting enough for me to do?
Right. Have you been a fan of Irfan? Like, have you
Yeah,
you
of
liked
course. I
his
think
work? It's great that he's back. Yeah, it's amazing.
It's amazing that the kind of work he's put into this, and I think that the main idea of me doing the film also was
to
very
be with
much to
actors like him.
work with him.
Right.
And look at the cast of the film. I'm so
Yeah.
happy to be in such esteemed company of Radhika and Deepak
Yeah.
and Irfan and Dimple, and I mean I think it's spectacular.
Yeah, they're all firebrand in their own space. This question, I can't ask too many actresses, but I can ask you, you've seen actresses go through a lot of phases.
Yeah.
There was a time, Kareena, where there was a just hurry of going and doing something in Hollywood. Not that anyone made it at that time. Priyanka went much later.
Absolutely.
And you all had a great coffee with Karan
Yeah.
session where you told her, don't forget your roots.
Yeah.
But how come you were never eager and you never went and stationed yourself in LA and be like, okay, I want to be in Hollywood?
I still don't have that that gumption, as I would say. You need a lot of determination, a lot of gumption, a lot of grit, and a lot of all of that. I have it, but I don't have that much to
Right.
do. And also, I think like I said, my priorities in my life are completely different.
Right.
You know, I mean, I'm at a different stage,
Right.
and I don't want to. I don't have that time and that mindset to like be so out there.
Right.
And yeah, it's never been a thought.
Are you a big online content consumer? Do you watch enough online?
I mean, I watch a lot of shows. I
Right.
watch a lot of Netflix.
Yeah.
And I mean, I'm like just as normal as everyone because everyone's hooked on
Everyone's
it now.
watching. And Saif did a terrific job with
Yeah.
Sacred Games. He found a totally new space, new fans, younger audience are now fans of Sacred Games.
Yeah.
It was also a great performance. Sartaj was a great character. Are you open to doing something, if something comes your way?
Of course, like I love Delhi Crime as well. I would
Yeah,
love to do
beautiful.
something out there, pretty much on the web. So there's not been any offer as such, but of course I'm open to it.
Yeah. And before we go, do you want to tell the viewers what more to expect? Of course, this film is releasing now.
Yeah.
What more to expect in the near future? You can tell us.
Well,
anything.
we'll end the year on Christmas like last year we did with Good News, but
Yes.
this year with Lal Singh Chadda, which
Yes,
will be
with
the
Aamir.
remake of Forrest Gump with Aamir.
Yeah.
And coming back with Aamir after Talash and Three Idiots, which
Right, yeah.
both I think were landmark films in my career. And I mean, being a huge Aamir fan, I think the
Yeah.
audience are in for something very, very special.
Right, and also people have loved both of you in
Yeah.
both the films that you named. So it will always be a good mix, like say this film with Irfan, then comes another one
Yeah.
with Aamir. So it will always be a good mix from
Yeah,
here
it
on.
will always be. I'll always try to do something and pick the best of what I can and what I'm offered and give that to the audience.
Great, it's always lovely talking to you. Looking forward to this film.
Of course.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.